Windows 10 was once the king of operating systems, but over time, its reign came to an end. Why did Microsoft abandon it, and what led to the downfall of Windows 10 and the versions before it? Today, we explore the decline of older Windows operating systems, and why Microsoft pushed forward with Windows 11. When Windows 10 launched in 2015, it was a game-changer. Microsoft called it the last version of Windows, promising continuous updates instead of new numbered releases. It improved on Windows 8's failures, brought back the beloved Start menu, and introduced features like Cortana virtual desktops and DirectX 12 for gamers. It was fast, stable, and widely adopted. So, what went wrong? As time went on, problems started to emerge. Microsoft's aggressive update strategy became a headache. Forced updates would install at the worst times, sometimes breaking features or causing system crashes. Users felt like they had less control over their own computers. Another issue? Windows 10 became bloated. As more updates rolled in, performance slowed down, especially on older hardware. People started noticing memory leaks, high disk usage, and frustrating bugs that never seemed to go away. Security was also a growing concern. While Microsoft patched vulnerabilities regularly, cybercriminals found new ways to exploit older systems. By 2020, Windows 10 was starting to feel outdated in a rapidly evolving tech world. Then, in 2021, Microsoft shocked everyone. Windows 11 was announced. The so-called last Windows was no longer the last. Microsoft claimed that Windows 11 was necessary for the future of computing, bringing better security, a modern design, and AI-driven features. But here's the catch. Windows 11 had strict hardware requirements. Many older PCs running Windows 10 and previous versions were left behind. Millions of users were suddenly forced to choose between sticking with outdated software or upgrading their devices. As support for Windows 10 ends in 2025, its downfall is inevitable. Microsoft has already stopped supporting Windows 7, 8, and 8.1, leaving them vulnerable to cyber threats. Soon, Windows 10 will meet the same fate. So what can we learn from the decline of Windows 10 and its predecessors? Technology moves fast, and Microsoft is always looking ahead. But in their push for progress, many users are left behind, frustrated with constant updates and hardware limitations. Is Windows 11 truly better, or is it just another step toward a more controlled and locked-down ecosystem? Only time will tell. What do you think? Are you still using Windows 10, or have you moved on to Windows 11? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.